So, a friend of mine brought this game to my attention. It's called Isekai Truck Driver. It's got a demo out. Um, if you know what the Isekai truck is, then you probably have a good idea as to where this is going. So, let's see what we're cooking up with the story. Daphne, Ruri, Alara, Aurora, and Minerva. Let's go reincarnate people. Player just started the game and hasn't even figured out what's going on yet. Oh, trust me, game, I know what's going on. Beautiful design. I see booty fangs. Can we... what is this? Yeah, get a load of this. Wonder who the artist is. I just want to hop in and start reincarnating all the bystanders right away. I get that, but at least we need to explain the backstory clearly, or the player will be totally confused, right? You in front of the screen probably want to know what's going on, don't you? Yeah, sure, fill me in. Alright, let's make it quick. You know the player doesn't have the patience for useless talk. Also very true. Quick explanation. One day I got hit by a truck and woke up in a temple where I saw the person you're looking at right now. The goddess Daphne. Daphne told me I was going to be reincarnated into another world, but I really didn't want to. So I refused the reincarnation. That's a spin on the reincarnation angle that you don't see very often. I mean the isekai angle. Because people are usually given a choice to be like reborn in another world. Or they're asked to. None of the characters ever say no. Daphne originally told me it was impossible, but she was moved by my sincerity and attached to my handsome looks. Okay. That's not how it happened. You're making stuff up. You're a character from my memory, so don't suddenly interrupt. Make things chaotic. Just be quiet. Couldn't go back to my old life. I could be a reincarnation specialist. Returning to my original world to help others get reincarnated into the new world. I have to follow her instructions, driving the truck around town and crashing into the targets. That's kind of what I figured was going to happen. Skip too much. Alright, let's get to driving. Off to another world with you. Bye-bye. So it's missing like driving sound effects and stuff. And the music seems pretty loud. Isekai truck putting in work. Alright, so where are we sending our next target to? Right. This next guy's gonna be an overlord. Into your favorite video game with you. Let's see. This guy's kind of far. Wow. Reincarnated as the world's best doctor. This one's strict. Alright. You're reincarnated as the best assassin. Might not make it in time. I took a weird route. Let's take some shortcuts. Woo, that was close. Reincarnated as a nobleman's son. Boom. Reincarnated as the world's strongest. You're gonna be a warrior. Don't get betrayed. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. That one's gonna be a vending machine. Let's see, where's this next guy going? Where's this next guy going? He's really far. Ooh. Reincarnated as a girl. Enjoy your gender swap. Come on, take your pants off. Oh, okay. This is an adult game, and what players want most is to see the erotic scenes. It's what? Didn't you say earlier that players were eager to drive and reincarnate people? Hey, I didn't know this was an erotic game. You really want... I'm actually interested in you. You were so assertive earlier. Don't suddenly become tsundere now. Do you think I want to if it weren't for the player wanting to see it and the handsome, hardworking staff asking me what I have to do it? Huh. Just accept your fate and let me take your pants off. Okay, well, this is an unexpected development. Also, that face reminds me of Konosuba. I hope they're not tracing. Squeeze. I quickly pull my hand back, but the soft, elastic boob just now were really big. Unconsciously, my... No! Well, I don't think I can show this next part on YouTube.